So I've been excited all day to get this in the mail, and these are my new lights here for my Lexus ES300H, and from my understanding, they cover a lot of different Lexus years and models. So these are the kind that pivot because of the different angle on the door. So let's install them, see what they look like. So let me preface this by saying I really do like this product. It works really well. The image on the ground is just really sharp and crisp. It's nice, but I just have to laugh at the packaging. You're greeted on the front here with 3D shadow light. Okay, that's fine. It is 3D. It's three-dimensional image. It's pretty cool. Open special is different. Door lights upgrade parts. Open special is different. I like being different. It is different. That's good. Okay, I get that. Then on the back here, LED new energy saving and environmental protection and low consumption lighting. Yeah, I was really getting worried about the consumption, that my door lights, they're on for at least 5 seconds when you get into the car. I was really getting concerned about the energy usage there. Kidding, it doesn't use hardly anything. 2, dedicated car. This is good. 2, dedicated car. Easy installation. Yes. No need to change the vehicle. So now that we have these new lights, we don't have to change our vehicle. That is awesome. I was hoping I wouldn't have to change my vehicle. 3, 3D laser. A strong visual senses. More dynamic and more stylish. It is more stylish. It's cool. It's cool. So I just have to laugh at the packaging here. Yeah, it's not made in the US. It really doesn't say on the package here anywhere, but you can probably guess where it's made. So I really do like this product. Should be a super easy installation. I'm going to fit in like this, so the clip is on this side, so that tells me the clip is right here. Just pops out. Press the tab in. The new one in. Pop it in, and there you go. It's a little bit light out, so we can barely see it there, but there's the Lexus on the ground. Pretty cool. I guess the door lights provide a little bit of illumination. I guess if it were pitch black outside, it would. I'm under the street lights here. Pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comments down below, and I'll see you next time.